Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Clifford from Aeronex Vlogs, and we are here back again with another video. So we are going to Pagsa, Dimiao, Bohol. It's around 40 kilometers away from Tagbilaran City. So we're going there. We're going to Pagsa Mountain Resort. Thank you very much. I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel, Aeronex Vlogs. There are 820 of you. Accompany us as we go to Dimiao and see the mountain ranges of Pagsa, Dimiao. Kasama natin graphics. Makita ninyo ang graphics. This is wife Zila, according to Nico Bolzico. You guys know Nico Bolzico? Yeah, see you guys sa Pagsa. Naamong boss, di na may pakita. Payaman!
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so finally we are here at Pagsa Hilltop View with our tour guide, the ambassador of Dimiao Bohol, Mr. Eugene Lagi. AKA Yasi Isay. Alright, we've got this whole place solo, para exclusive, just for us. You can see here, everyone. This is the beauty of Pagsa Hilltop View. You see that?
Kanang bayad sila bisa.
Naa si Sir John Michael.
Exclusive. Ambassador.
If nag-wonder kayo kung sino yung nagpa-lock up ng ating venue for today, this guy is so rich that he is able to close down as an exclusive venue this Pagsa Hilltop. I'm just gonna show you our small baons, courtesy by Mr. Eugene Lagi, of course, and Mr. Romel Lanza. Salamat. O kang Sir Steven for the lechon. Salamat sa panglibre mo, boss. Ano yung kinain mo, boss? Ang aming lechon, isang sinutin.
Ang busang sili?
Wingka, water ko. Daon daw, ito yung mama.
Sili man ko, bawal ko aban. Sili ko, kalibat ko ba?
Sino ba?
Da. Nanginaw mo ko. Video mo na bago kain.
Manok, Bisaya. Sino ba? Wala gining abring sa isda lagi. Sino ba? Dabi-dabi.
Bro, mo paligay, karne din na matot sa isda.
Later.
This is a very relaxing place to stay. Sobrang ganda. As you can see, right there. That's your view, guys. So, we are going out now and papunta tayo doon sa Pagsa Hills. We will lead you there, guys. See you there.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, it's raining a little but we are still going to climb this. Okay. We are trekking. Kusog man inuog. Taligsik.
Itong bigas o dili tuktok.
Maapil na punta mo ron dilya ni ron. Inabit na kag bala to.
Ay. Mao man siguro to katong dito sila sa swimming pool.
Lago man eh.
Lalo puno agad.
Ito okay pa panaog kay sa pasaka sakit sa tuhod.
Ay, puno og mahadlok kay mas live.
Woo! Guys, we have a nice view here, but as for me, that is no longer good.
Pasaka ra man iberes ni Mare. Dito dadto. Motor. Oh!
Top of the world.
Kita yun doon, no? Tapos
So, medyo
Sea of Clouds ng pala.
kapoy jud.
Sea of Clouds.
Thank you very much sa ato kuanda tour guide.
Pero kayo mga
Woo!
hangak.
Let's fly our drone. You're gonna see how it looks like with a bird view.
Yung nasa sa
Gotcha. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
What's your name? What's your name? Huh?